Hi guys, today we are one by one my cousin. As you can see, we don't have any audio, so yeah, let's start. So as you can see, we are now starting, and we chose the gun and knife at the same time. So let's see. It's very hard because I have to click number 4 to equip the gun, but I didn't know where she was, so yeah, I go upstairs. Yeah, I went upstairs. Oh, there she is. I didn't know why she was standing, but I still won, so that still counts. So guys, this is round 2 starting. As you can see, we still chose the map. Let's see. We won. You know guys, at that part, I outsmarted her. I went up the elevator and she was like, where is it? I was like, I was there, girl. I was there. So as you can guys see, we started the round 3 because we were getting bored and just talking about things. So yeah, let's start. So as you can see, I was like wondering, how did this war happen? Like, look, see, that was not giving at all. So as you can see, we started the round 4, and I won in that round because I was so iconic and so cool. Yeah, look, the strong jumping is not giving at all. See, period, period. Then see, look. So as you can see, we now started the last round. I hope we won, but we didn't. So look, the way it ends is like not giving at all. So you guys have been wondering why my aim looks like that. It's because I'm recording and yeah, it's very hard. It just got killed. GG. GG. Thank you guys for watching and make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you for 10 subscribers. I hope you subscribe me again and leave a comment.